Hi everyone, I am making a short video to show you how to take attendance after a class by using the attendance list from Teams. In order to download the attendance list from Teams, you need to go to the Show Participants tab, and then before you have ended your class, so write yourself a note, make a sticky note, whatever you need to do, before the class has ended, you need to click on the three dots and download that attendance list. It won't work unless you do it before you have ended your class. Once you have downloaded your attendance list, you can find that list in the Files folder in Teams. You need to go to Downloads, and there will be a date associated with the download, but there won't be a title other than just meeting attendance with probably a number. Good rule of thumb to know is that the most recent attendance list is the one that's at the top. You can download that attendance list in order to open up Microsoft Excel. From here, this is what it looks like. There's a name, an action, and a timestamp. In order to split the first name and the last name to make it correspond with IC, you need to go to the B column, right-click, hit Insert. Now you have an empty space in the B column. From here, you can click on A column, go to Data, click Text to Columns, click Next, unclick Tab, click on Space. You can see now here at the bottom, it indicates that I am splitting the first and last name. You can then click Finish. You need to then go back to Home, hold down Shift and select all the columns. Go over to Sort and Filter, and you need to do a custom sort. Sort by column B, values A to Z, and hit OK. Now what you have is a list, and I'm going to expand this so you can see it, a list where the students in that class are organized in alphabetical order by last name. From here, I would simply do a split screen situation with my Infinite Campus, and I would take attendance that way. So using the split screen is a really helpful way, and making sure that it's alphabetized by last name or by column B, that's a great way to do it. You'll see names that post up. There'll be like multiple rows for each name because there's multiple student actions. That student joining and that student leaving. Hopefully every student joins at roughly the same time and every student leaves at also the roughly the same time when class ends. All right, guys, shoot me any questions if you have them. Appreciate you. Bye.